Hello everyone, welcome to our second lesson. How do you like our lighting, by the way? I don't know which color is more suitable. Maybe this one? No, I like this one, yeah. Let me know in the comment section below which one would you prefer for the next video. Not for the next video, for the next course maybe. Okay, so today we are going to study about genders, as I said before. Why is it important to know which gender is a noun and how to distinguish them, actually. Why is it important to know which gender is a noun? So when we start studying cases and how to construct sentences with subjects and objects, the endings of nouns will be changing. So once again, it's much easier to show you more examples rather than just like try to explain. So let's take a look at the chart then, okay? So what do we have here? We have three columns, like masculine, on means he, neuter, ano means it, and feminine, ana means she. So here, what can we learn from this chart? Masculine. So if you see that the noun ends with consonant, what is consonant? Do you remember? It's it's the letter which, like, when we pronounce consonant, we don't open our mouth. So it's like t, s, k, sh, ch. Actually, I was talking about consonants and vowels 2 videos ago. So if you skip this video, go back and watch it again. Okay, so here we can see. So here we can see this word. Could you read it, please? Student. Student ends with t. T is a consonant. So the gender of this word is masculine. Student is masculine. The next one, neuter. Neuter words, yeah, and with or ye. For example, could you read this word, please? Mitro. Don't forget that ye, this letter, it's unstressed, so we read it like e. Mitro is neuter, and more it means sea. More is also neuter. The next one, feminine. Feminine nouns end with a or ya. Yes, for example, studentka is like female student, studentka. Or and. Why or? And семья. Семья, yes, ye unstressed here also. Семья means family. Actually, maybe it will be easier way to remember this word. Ya, like this letter ya means I, and семь means 7 in Russian. So 7I means family. Use it to remember. Okay, is that clear? I hope, yeah. Let's move on. Also, we have nouns which end with soft sign. This white letter is soft sign. Usually it's not white, I just like highlighted it so you can see. If we read this word without soft sign, it will be den. With soft sign, it's день. День means day, like добрый день, good afternoon, and ночь. Ночь is night. So there is no rule to distinguish like which gender is a noun. If it ends with soft sign, you should know it by heart. Yes. If you confuse it, no worries. It just only Russians know which gender is день and ночь. Actually, sometimes it works the way it works in Spanish. For example, in Spanish also dia ends with a, which is supposed to be a feminine word, but it's masculine. So день also masculine in Russian, and ночь, like noche in Spanish, feminine. Okay. So let's move on. Also, we have some exceptions in Russian, but we don't have so many exceptions as they have, for example, in French. They have a lot of exceptions regarding like genders. We have just like 6, yeah, here. So let's take a look. The first column, papa. Papa means father. Дедушка means grandfather. Мужчина. Мужчина means man. And дядя. Дядя means uncle. So even though these words end with feminine endings like a, papa, дедушка, мужчина, дядя, they are masculine because yes, they describe masculine words, kind of that. Another 2 exceptions. Имя, имя, which means name, ends with я, and время. Время means time. These 2 words end with feminine endings, like endings letters, but they are neuter. Just remember it. Yeah. Okay. Now let's move on and have a little practicing exercise. So here, I don't know, if you want, you can write down this kind of chart, divide your page on three columns. Yes, like one for masculine, for neuter, and for feminine. Or just write down these words and mark above, like with M, masculine, and neuter or feminine. So in the first line, I underlined, last letters. So you will understand what we should focus on during this exercise. Yeah, just in case. Okay, let's start. The first word is, could you read it, please? Okay. Курс. Курс. So which gender is курс? It ends with s. S is a consonant. So курс is masculine. Okay, masculine. The next one, молоко. By the way, курс means course. Молоко. Молоко. Молоко ends with o. Which gender is молоко? Right, it's neuter. It's neuter. Самолет. Самолет. Самолет ends with t. It's a consonant, so it's masculine. Okay. Самолет, it's a plane. A plane, yeah. Проблема. Проблема. Проблема ends with a, and this word is feminine because of a. That's right. Okay, the next one. Учитель. Учитель. Учитель is a teacher, so it ends with the soft sign. So this is masculine. Okay, it's just like you should know it by heart. Учитель is masculine. In the next lesson, we will take a look on some professions because some of them have like 2 genders. Yeah, for example, учитель can be учитель or учительница, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Yeah, it could be учитель and учительница. But учитель is masculine. You should know. Учитель is masculine. The next one. Солнце. So we drop out, can I say drop out? Okay, we leave out the letter ul, потому что, because it's a little bit harder to say, it's a little bit hard to pronounce солнце. So we pronounce it like солнце. Солнце means sun. Солнце ends with yeah, and this is neuter. Okay. The next one, could you read it to me, please? Университет. 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 Университет ends with consonant, with t. Actually, we had a letter which ended with t, самолет. So университет goes to the first column, masculine. Gryffindor. Okay. Guitarra. Guitarra ends with a and it's feminine. Okay. The next one. Книга. Книга means book. Also ends with a like guitarra. And see you in feminine column. Книга. Европа. Европа. Европа ends with a and it's also third column, feminine. Actually, you know about the letter ye here, we don't pronounce it like Европа, Европа. Европа sounds like Европа, Европа. It's like, I would say it's something between E and ye, Европа, Европа, yeah, in this word. The next one, дом. Дом ends with m. M is consonant. Consonant, masculine. Okay, дом. Школа. Дом, it's a house or home, by the way. Школа means school. Ends with a. A is feminine. Okay. So the next one, турист. Турист ends with t, like самолет or университет. Of course, masculine. Магазин. Магазин ends with n. N is a consonant, so it's masculine. Actually, magazine means like a store or supermarket, like grocery store, yeah. Not a magazine, yeah. Because magazine is журнал, yeah. Кошка. Кошка, it's a, okay, кошка ends with a, it goes to the third column, to feminine. Кошка, it's a feminine cat. If you want to know which word is like means masculine cat, it's кот. Кот masculine, кошка feminine. Okay. Америка. America ends with a, so it goes to Европа. I mean to the third column. Okay. Stол. Stol ends with the consonant l, so it's masculine. Stol, just wanted to say that stol it's like mesa, you know, so it's a table. It's a table, stol. And the last one, Китай. Китай means China, by the way. And y, this y, we consider it as a consonant, so it goes to the masculine, Китай. Actually, I want you to take a look at this difference that, for example, in the word magazine, we have E, but here E is stressed. Can you see the difference? E, magazine, stressed E, and Y, with like, you know, part of a circle. I don't know how do you call this? Let's check. With arc, yes. E with arc above the letter, yeah. E with arc is yeah. So that's it for today. In the description of this video, I will attach audio files so you will be able to practice these words with me. I will do it again. I will record it slowly and then a little bit faster, so you will be able to repeat after me slowly, then more fast. Then faster, yeah. That's it for today. See you in the next lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about how to say who is it, what is it, about professions, about jobs, and we will learn pronouns in Russian. If you have any questions, comment section below for you. Like this video, subscribe, please share it with your friends, and see you. Bye.